Hi friends, I hope you all are doing awesome. Your very own DC analysis is back with a bang. This next of the Indian Premier League is going to be played between two teams that have lost their opening encounters. The Kolkata Knight Riders played a horrendous opening match against the Mumbai Indians and seems to need a lot to work onto their batting and bowling. The same can be said for the Sunrisers Hyderabad, who lost their opening match to RCB and made a lot of questionable decisions as well. We knew there would be some serious rust issues for players coming into IPL 2020, but which team is going to be able to recover faster? The competition between these teams has been intense, and we don't think either KKR or SRH can take too much time to get into their stride. One team is going to walk away with two losses to start IPL 2020, and that is not a good position to be in. KKR versus SRH IPL 2020 is going to be played at the Sheikh Zayed Stadium, Abu Dhabi on 26th of September 2020. Now coming up to team preview, Kolkata Knight Riders. The Kolkata Knight Riders are one of the most financed team of IPL 2020, and so their fans would have got quite a shock when they saw the manner in which that team turned up against Mumbai. There were more than a couple of players that did not seem to be good enough to make the playing 11 at all. We are talking about Sandeep Warrior and Nikhil Naik in particular, who just seems to be below the minimum acceptable level. There are some other deeper concerns as well. Sunil Narayan, perhaps the most valuable player in T20 cricket, is going to open the batting for KKR. He is going to be prepared with short deliveries at pace every single time he comes out to bat. Is he good enough to cope? We think he might struggle on the bigger grounds in the UAE. Dinesh Karthik is batting far too high at number 4 and should go back to playing the role of the finisher, a role he has been very successful at. Shubham Gill, Owen Morgan, and Andre Russell make this KKR batting very dangerous. However, and that is where most of the runs must comes from. The bowling performance for KKR was abysmal against Mumbai Indians. Sandeep Warrior will be targeted by every single team if he plays. We think he might be replaced by Kamlesh Nagargoti or Prasidh Krishna in the next match. Pat Cummings had a very poor game as well, giving away 49 runs in 3 overs. You expect him to come back strongly though, as he has the pace and pedigree. Shivam Mavi was very impressive but is inexperienced and could be put under pressure. Andre Russell, Sunil Narayan, and Kuldeep Yadav have to come up with the way of keeping Bastrop and Warner quiet, otherwise, it would be a tough for KKR. Team preview Sunrisers Hyderabad. Everything that could go wrong for SRH did go wrong in previous match. They picked Mitchell Marsh ahead of Mohammad Nabi and he got injured while bowling his first over. That also meant that he could not bat when he was needed. David Warner got run out unluckily and the remaining batsman seems to crumble under the pressure of moderately difficult chase. Like KKR, SRS has a few questions to answer as well. The first question is going to be finding a replacement for Mitchell Marsh. Can they fit Ken Williamson if he is fit, or to try and bolster the batting and take some pressure off the opener? They could, but that would leave the bowling quite weak. Mohammad Nabi could be the one of the players that fills in the all-rounder role and contribute in the middle order as well. Perhaps most troublingly, the bowling attack that made SRH so difficult to beat is looking pedestrian. Bhuvneshwar Kumar, Sandeep Sharma are not going to find too much help from the UAE surface. T. Natarajan and Vijay Shankar are strictly average as well. Rashid Khan is the world-class bowler in this lineup, but he is not going to much help from the surface either. Everything seems to ride on Johnny Bairstow and David Warner to win matches for SRH. It can and will happen, but can they do it consistently enough to cover up the others' fault in the lineup? That remains to be seen. Now, coming up to the toss prediction, we think the team that wins the toss is going to field first. The div comes down in the second inning and makes condition very tough for the spinner. Winning the toss and fielding can be seen as a big advantage, but maybe not an absolute one. Pitch condition. The condition at the Sheikh Zayed Stadium has been pretty good for batting so far. We saw a good amount of bounce in the previous match played there as well. The groundsman has also been leaving a decent amount of grass cover on the surface to help the ball come to the bat. There is no chance of rain as can be expected while playing in desert. The div has been a major factor and will continue to aid the team batting second. Interestingly, while almost every team has chosen to field first so far, the results have not all gone to fielding team's way. Coming up to Dream 11 predictions. For keeper, we are going ahead with Johnny Bairstow. For batsman, Shubham Gill, Manish Pandey, David Warner, and Sharma. David Warner, we are keeping it as our vice captain. For all rounders, it would be Sunil Narayan, Rana, and Andre Russell. So we are going ahead Andre Russell as our captain. And for bowlers, we are going ahead with Shubham Mavi, Sandeep Sharma, and Kuldeep Yadav. Now coming up to the most important part of the match, the winner. For winner, you have to stay tuned with us on our Telegram channel. The update will be provided. So all the updates about the match, last moment changes will be provided into our Telegram channel. So thanks for watching this video. Like, provide like and comments in the comment box and subscribe the channel for more update. Thank you so much.